Right guys, just spoke to a customer called T from Birmingham. He's just purchased a brand new Range Rover Vogue and he's got a car like this that he's wanting to bring in tomorrow morning. T, so I've got a Vogue here, yeah?
Okay.
And then I've got your parts already in the workshop, brother, not messing about. So the rear roof spoiler there. I got the mid-level.
Not messing about, innit? Not messing about, are you kidding?
Come on, T, we don't mess around here, you know what I mean? Active. So I've got the rear bumper diffuser there, exhaust in there. You're gonna get the top spoiler, you're gonna get the boost spoiler, you're gonna get the back diffuser, and then you're gonna get the front lip that goes at the front.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the size, cuz?
Inshallah, we'll sort something out for you, T. Don't worry, inshallah, we'll chuck in.
You're not some, you know, it costs. Okay.
Don't worry, T. Don't worry, T. We'll look after you, inshallah, we'll sort some out. Don't worry, T. Don't worry. We'll see you tomorrow morning, inshallah. Take care, brother. Oh, okay, bye. All good, how are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah. All good. Nice to meet you, brother. Who's this gentleman here?
He's my younger brother.
How are you doing? Right, Mr. T.
What's going on, man? What we got?
Going live and direct.
Oh, yeah. Oh, don't put me on the spot, man. Don't put me on the spot.
Don't worry. He's going to edit all the little bits, so if you say anything, you know what I mean?
Good.
How's things?
I'm all right, been a long drive.
Yeah?
And yeah, man, just nasty weather out there today.
Yeah, it's horrible weather today. Horrible.
But we'll make it a good day, inshallah.
Inshallah, why not? So you bought this Range Rover?
Yeah. It's not here, actually. The driver's on the way. So
oh, is he?
We're coming out of the cars.
You got a driver as well, yeah?
Oh, yes, we do. We don't do things in half measures.
Exclusive.
Yeah. So picked up the car from Land Rover Stafford.
Yeah?
And yeah, man, and do your magic with it, man.
Inshallah, we will do. So you're from Birmingham?
Yes.
Birmingham, and how far Stafford from you guys?
About an hour. So an hour there and then 2 hours there, so it's been a 3-hour journey.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, so
Chillo.
Let's see.
We'll get it sorted for you then, T.
Yeah,
what's that car you got outside? Mashallah, looks like a beautiful car, that.
Got a 911 Turbo S.
Very good.
And a Land Rover Defender.
Yep. Oh, you got full squad here, yeah?
Yeah, full squad, man.
Full squad.
But the thing is that we're going to change, do a thingy for the 911's going, inshallah.
Oh, you
so
parks in that?
Yeah, so we're going to Tadcaster now.
Okay.
And hopefully there's something new coming up there.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, we'll show you next time.
What you got up your sleeve then? Is it red? Is it red? Is it red?
It's red.
Okay,
that's the clue.
That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know is red. Yeah. Probably, most likely a Ferrari, yeah?
Well, let's see. Inshallah.
So that 911 Turbo is going in Part X.
Part X
for the new car that you gained.
Yeah.
And then you've just bought a new Range Rover as well, yeah?
Bought the new Range Rover, alhamdulillah.
So what's going to be the daily then, the Range Rover?
Probably the Ferrari.
What's the Defender for?
Defender's workhorse,
Okay.
Workhorse. Yeah, it's for the family.
So T's Range Rover is in for a full Barugzai soft kit, and parts are already ready, locked and loaded. So before T even came down, I made sure all the parts were ready because I know you want to collect this car tomorrow.
Yes. See, the thing is that we want to do the collection of both cars on the same day, inshallah.
Yeah, okay.
So it just kind of just worked out that way. I thought, you know, why not? I mean, so yeah, let's see how it goes.
So plan of action is you're going to be coming down to Leeds, you say, tomorrow?
Correct, yeah.
To pick up your new car?
Yes.
And then you want to drive back to Birmingham in that new car?
Yes.
And then also pick up the Range Rover?
And pick the Range Rover at the same time, yeah.
I understand. So what time are you picking this new car up?
3 o'clock we're looking.
Okay.
So I know it's been absolute last minute, and you know what, fair play to you, you've accommodated for that. Do you know what I mean? I know it was like last minute schedule, we kind of like cut the deal quick.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And then it was like dates, okay, when are we going to do this, when are we going to fit it on? So, you know, alhamdulillah, you guys have been amazing in that way, but you know,
very good. As soon as T...
So I'm going to put him under pressure now, yeah? So he needs to deliver by tomorrow, inshallah.
So inshallah, T, my plan of action is
the clock's ticking.
To deliver tomorrow by 4 o'clock-ish.
Yeah, inshallah.
4 o'clock. That's what my plan is. But we can try our best, and we'll make sure, hopefully, you're driving back to Birmingham in 2 cars tomorrow.
Inshallah.
But you're not going to be driving the Vogue back tomorrow, are you?
No. You know, which is a shame, really, actually.
Yeah, it is a shame.
It is a shame because, you know, it's... but no, it won't take any kind of limelight off the job that you guys are going to be doing, inshallah.
No worries. So the wheels, full black, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't say you change your mind, because them wheels are already at the tyre shop.
No, it's black.
It's them ones there.
Show me.
In full black.
Yeah?
The Vortex ones.
Wicked.
Yeah. It has to be them. in full black tee. Come inside, it's raining. Full black.
The full black?
Full black.
Okay, they're full black. So there's no silver bits
No,
in
no
it, yeah?
silver, no silver, no silver.
Yeah, TK.
They are the ones.
Huh?
I know, you want Birmingham spec, don't worry. I'll give you.
We don't want Bradfords. No disrespect to the
No,
Bradford brothers,
of course.
But,
I know you want Birmingham spec. I'll give you Birmingham spec.
see, we want it nice.
Classy.
In fact, yeah, classy.
Yeah.
Bit subtle.
Yes.
You know.
No problem.
But obviously with your signature touch on it, inshallah.
Of course. And the exhaust tips, black?
Black.
Alright, done. Say no more. So T, what do you do for work then?
So we have multiple businesses, but one of our businesses that we're focusing on at the moment is a modern day conservatory.
Okay.
It's called Luxury Verandas.
Very good.
Do follow us on TikTok, share and subscribe.
I'll check it out.
We do like outdoor living spaces.
Okay.
Commercial jobs like shisha places and all that kind of thing as well.
Okay,
so
nice.
Like
Very good.
A lucrative market and something that we're trying to progress in.
No, very good.
How are you, brother? All good, man. How are you? Okay.
Yeah, good to be here. Yeah,
good to you, man. Nice to man.
Yeah, good man. How are you?
Right, mashallah, the young man stepped up into your role like this, eh?
Got
like
big boots to
hand in glove, yeah?
They're sending me away to Dubai tomorrow, but I'm going on a stretcher, bro.
Okay, so
Trust me, that's how they're taking out of me. This is me the whole year, and then December when it's dead.
and they take all the credit as well. They take all the credit as well, yeah?
Take all the credit, put me in a stretcher, and then, you know what I mean?
Listen, it can't be that bad in Dubai, I'm sure.
Trust me, it's not bad. It's not bad.
How are you? Imran, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Heard a lot about you.
Oh, you're the man in the background?
Yeah.
He's mad. Mashallah, that's good, man. So, yeah.
So are you bro from Birmingham?
Birmingham, my bro. Yeah. One of my mates came last time, I think it was Mr. Kiani.
Oh, right. Oh,
Adam.
Yeah.
He had his
G-Wagon.
The G-Wagon, man.
What
yeah.
have you got now?
Got a Range
Oh, the new
Vogue.
one you told me.
Yeah, the new Vogue, alhamdulillah. So, yeah, that's the one. The thing is that when I phoned you, like I said, my previous background has always been in sales.
Yeah, what do you used to sell?
We used to sell gas, electric, insurance, whatever it was, back in there, that's where we started. And when I phoned you, you were like a natural salesman on the whole. I thought, I like that. And people buy off people,
Yeah, of course.
You understand me? And when you put your personal touch in.
Yeah, of course. As soon as you got to build a rapport with the customer, haven't you?
100%.
As soon as you start giving me the Asian lingo, I like that style. So I thought, let's get the deal over the line.
Yeah. And look, we cut the deal there and then.
Of course we did. Yeah.
We were in the middle, and so long as we're both happy, at the end of the day.
100%.
This is a full-on kit, that one.
Yeah, it's like a full white kit. And then that is in for like the Nebula one.
With the wide arches.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going for the soft arches.
Yeah.
The soft one.
Soft kit. Right guys, welcome back to Enkahnz HQ. We've got Mr. T all the way from Birmingham, and you know what? This gentleman here has pulled up in style. Probably one of the best entrances that I've seen at Enkahnz HQ. When he turned up, he came in a Porsche 911 Turbo S, Defender 110 and a brand new Vogue. Now the guys, that's just levels. And you know what? On collection day to pick up the new Range Rover Vogue, he's bought a brand new Ferrari as well. And he's driving back down to Birmingham in 2 new cars. Mashallah, congratulations to you, brother.
Thank you very much.
Fair play.
Alhamdulillah.
Hard work pays off, brother.
Alhamdulillah, all by the will of Allah, man. Without
100%.
We can't. We're not nothing.
And the guys are just pulling up now, actually.
Okay.
He needs to reverse that in.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. MashaAllah.
Let me quickly
just change the whole look of the car there.
100%.
Taking nothing away, landing in that. But there's levels on this as well. Suleiman, come here.
Keep going, keep going. That's it.
T. Yes, double Mubarak, yeah? Thank you very much for that.
Alhamdulillah. Gali, you need definitely them badges, you know.
Yeah? No, Barugzai set standards, seriously.
You need it. Alhamdulillah.
They changed the whole look of the car. You know what? Seriously. And I want you to get this in there.
Go on.
On a level. When I bought the Ferrari, obviously, look, a Ferrari is a car which, you understand, we don't need no introduction.
Of course.
Yeah? It is what it is. And what I wanted to do, when I came here, I thought, you know what, okay, I was always looking for the Ferrari, yeah, that's the car I'm getting, and it kind of outshined, mentally, it outshined
Ferrari will always outshine any car.
No, but on a level, wallahi, man, the way you've made this car look from when I bought it in, it's up there, man, seriously, it's beautiful.
Big shout out to T and all the boys from Birmingham, they turned up. As soon as I spoke to T on the phone, I knew he's not messing about. Serious customer, and he turned up in the new Range Rover, got it fully customised, and then to top it off, he's driving home in the Ferrari as well. Right, let's quickly run through this Range Rover. So T, take away, tell us what we've done to this Range Rover. You're the expert, you're the expert.
No, I'm not there, you guys, you're the experts. Seriously, I've been looking at your work for a while, and the thing is that when it came in, I bought a good spec'd up car. So it wasn't a basic spec at all.
Of course.
But you guys have completely changed the look. I wanted a kit on there, but I didn't want it OTT, if you know what I mean.
Of course. You're a businessman at the end of the day.
It had to look classy at the same time as well, and you guys have just pulled it off. I think it looks aggressive. It looks classy.
Of course. Just right, I think. Just right.
Yeah, everything's just bang on. The wheels, you know, the front spoiler, the sides, it's just bang on. And the whole journey that I've had with Enkahnz here has been pretty seamless. I spoke to the brother first of all on the phone, and we just, you know, had a crack and a joke, and you know, it was straight up business talk, and you know, we got the deal done there and then. And from then, my expectations were, I wanted it done quick. Because I knew that car was coming on Friday, I thought, you know what, they're both right up there with each other, you know, this Bradford here, Leeds, right next door. That's where I picked this car up from. And then I thought, you know what, it'd be amazing if I could pick two cars up together on the same day. I mean, that's like...
that was a dream.
Levels.
That was levels.
But alhamdulillah, Allah made it happen. All thanks to the Almighty.
Of course, 100%.
Without that, we're nothing.
100%.
These are nice things to have in life.
Of course.
Do you understand me? But keep Allah at the forefront and your deen in forefront.
You've got to be grateful, of course.
Because
we take these blessings for granted, don't we?
Plus these things are nice things to have.
Of course.
But there is a piece of metal at the end of the day.
Of course.
Do you understand me?
No, we've got to be humble end of the day as well.
100%. Allah gives you, He can take it away. Like that. So, Allahumma barik, man. But thank you very much. And like, you know, we'll be in touch always.
Of course.
You understand me? And next projects will always be there for you.
Right guys, that's a wrap. That is the Range Rover fully customised, and we got Suleiman here representing with his dad, fully customised Barugzai Range Rover. And Suleiman, quick question for you: which car do you like more, the Ferrari or the Range Rover? The Ferrari, of course. Of course he's going to say that. You know what, I'll let him off. Everyone would say Ferrari. And that's it guys, fully customised. And take care boys, all the best Suleiman. Take care brother. And big shout out to T and the boys as well.
Thank you very much.
And on to the next one.